Hi, East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. I'm CBS 19 Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony on this as we head into the first weekend of March. And I'm sure everyone is ready for the weekend after a rainy Thursday night and then drying out on Friday. Current drought index came out on Thursday, and when it did, it had no drought in East Texas. And I know you're saying, but Brett, look, what about that yellow area? Well, that's considered abnormally dry. That is not a drought category. The drought categories start at moderate, severe, extreme, and exceptional. So just abnormally dry. Precipitation in Anderson County is just a little bit below average. Elsewhere, we have made up great progress. We've made great progress. We made a lot of ground up since December when we had anywhere from severe to extreme drought in East Texas. But the rain and the storms recently have really helped us out. All right, rainfall reports. We go back to the first of the month, and we're only a few days into the month. You can see we've had rainfall, and it's above average rainfall in Tyler, Longview, and Lufkin for the month of March. But for the year, Lufkin's running about a ½ inch below average, while Tyler's just about average, and Longview's running about 2 inches above average. 3-day forecast, so a little morning chill to shake off on Saturday, then 75 by the afternoon. It's sunny and warmer Sunday, 80 degrees for the high temperature. Monday morning, we wake up with some clouds, maybe some mist, perhaps some fog around as the humidity creeps back in. We'll see some afternoon sunshine Monday and a high temperature around 81 and a southwest wind about 10 miles an hour. So the big difference between Sunday and Monday, Sunday it's 80 degrees but very comfortable. Monday it's 81 degrees but there's more humidity to talk about. We are going to be in a zonal flow as we kick off next week. What does zonal flow mean? That means the upper level winds are essentially west to east across the area. When we get weather patterns like this, we have near average or above average temperatures, typically dry, unless there's just a little ripple of low pressure moving through the atmosphere. And when we have these westerly flows, especially in spring, we see what we'll call transient weather systems. So they're moving through rapidly, and we can see changes about every 2 days. We kind of see that as we head into next week. High pressure, though, over the weekend over South Texas is going to keep us warm, and it should keep us dry. We'll have peaceful, warmer days, and then also peaceful and warmer than average nights. That storm system out here, though, that's what I'm talking about, the transient nature of this weather system. By around Tuesday into Wednesday, that low will start to move across the central portion of the country. Eventually, it'll drag a very strong cold front into our area toward the end of the 10-day period. So over the weekend into next week, a warming trend into the low 80s. Very nice. You get to Tuesday, here comes a cold front. We drop to 68. Front kind of stalls here, so there's rain chances Tuesday night, Wednesday, and Thursday. Then the front pushes on through. Look at Friday's high, 58. That's 8 degrees below average. 53 on Saturday, that's 13 degrees below average. We're staying a good 10 degrees below average on Sunday and about 7 degrees below average by Monday. So we've got a stretch here coming up toward the end of the next 10 days where it is cooler than average. And we see that reflected here on the Climate Prediction Center's 8 to 14 day outlook. So that's going to run us from March 11th to March 17th. Cooler than average temperatures are likely, and that does include East Texas. It includes most of north central Texas, northeast Texas, all the way into deep East Texas. So that's a large chunk of real estate. And it even looks more likely in the deep south, Atlanta, cooler than average temperatures, and cooler than average temperatures are favored all the way out into the Pacific Northwest. The only place where it might be close to average will be in Arizona. So the 10-day low temp trend then, looking at that, and you really start to look beyond the middle part of the week, and you look at next weekend. So we have lows in the 30s and very close to freezing a week from Sunday. So at this point, I'd hedge my bets on putting anything in the ground, any plants in the ground, especially any type of tender vegetation. Tomato plants, for instance, probably need to wait another 10 days or so, maybe even longer than that, as there is some chilly air showing up again toward the end of March. Maybe just safely wait till Easter, and then that's April 8th or 9th, and then we should be good to go after that. The average low is 45, so yeah, the growing season should get underway, but with that colder air lurking out there on March 12th, probably best to hold off on any type of planting. All right, future skycast starting this off Saturday afternoon. You'll notice this counterclockwise swirl here. There's a very weak low pressure area moving through the atmosphere. In fact, it kind of falls apart when we look at the movement on this. As we head into Sunday, we have just a few clouds drifting through, and then watch what happens here Sunday night into Monday. South winds on Sunday, that's why we're near 80 degrees. Here comes the moisture in terms of humidity and low cloud cover. So we'll kick off this to start next week, cloud cover. You'll see some green on the maps here. That's a little bit of mist, maybe some spits of drizzle and fog to kick off Monday, and then the clouds will break up and we'll get back to sunshine. You can really see that reflected here on our relative humidity. Very comfortable air Sunday afternoon. Watch what happens Sunday night. Relative humidity near 100% by Monday morning. So foggy, gray, saturated atmosphere, so we should be able to squeeze out at least a little bit of drizzle and or mist. Rain chances. Let's skip ahead to Tuesday, and you can see Tyler and Henderson Center. We are in that 20 to 30% chance for rain on Tuesday. By Wednesday, that rain chance is increasing to 60% across Smith and Gregg County, 50% chance across Cherokee and Rusk County, Deep East Texas, 40% chance. Then we head into Thursday, and we've got a 60% chance for more widespread rain. So rainfall totals next 7 days. Let's break this down for you. We'll go over the next 3 days. So that's going to take us through Sunday. No rain. So the weekend's dry. We get into Monday and Tuesday. And now on Monday and Tuesday, we start to see that rain showing up, as I showed you with those rain chances. Anywhere from 1/10 to maybe 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. So then let's go back and just give you the whole 7-day picture. And you'll notice from top to bottom, you've got heavier rain north, lighter rain south as the cold front eases from near I-20 all the way down into Deep East Texas. All right, here we go. The hour-by-hour forecast for Saturday. So after that morning chill, temperatures take off. We're back up to near 66 by noon. Temperatures tomorrow close to 75 degrees and no chance of rain. I'm just going to leave that 0% on there. High temperatures tomorrow in Pittsburgh, 73 degrees. Linden up to 73 degrees. In Gilmer, sunshine, 74. Mineola, 75 with south-southeast winds about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tyler and Longview up to 75. Palestine up to 77. Jacksonville and Henderson into the mid-70s. Over Deep East Texas, a little bit warmer. Groveton looks to be our warmest spot with sunshine, high 78. Lufkin 77. Nacogdoches up to 77. Here's the Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. So just a gorgeous Saturday. Very nice Sunday. A little gray mist on Monday morning, followed by some afternoon sunshine, a high of 81. Isolated evening thunderstorms possible Tuesday. Scattered thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday. Showers and colder air moving in Friday. We're into the 30s Saturday morning. Highs in the lower 50s Saturday afternoon, then down near freezing next Sunday. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus, and have a great weekend.